Are you a small business that's struggling to generate leads? Well, today I'm going to show you how we can automatically scrape leads directly from Google Maps using N8n with an AI agent in the loop. So you can see currently I have an empty lead generation spreadsheet with different columns for the website, email, mobile phone, landline phone, and a search query. On N8n, we've got two different workflows that work together. You can see the first one in the green box is an AI agent that's going to generate our queries. These queries will be used in Google Maps to search for specific business types and locations. This will be used to create a JSON for different search queries combining different business types and locations, ensuring relevance for our business. We do this by first clicking to trigger the workflow. The AI agent then has instructions to craft effective search for Google Maps. In this case, we're a finance broker, and we've given a list of steps to generate a list of diverse business types, such as doctors, restaurants. We'll also go ahead and generate a list of cities in California, and then we've also added a parameter for additional search criteria. We'll then use this to generate a list of Google Maps search queries. So let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm going to click on test workflow, and you'll see the AI agent is now coming up with different parameters. We'll just quickly go and check. So it's created Finance Bay, San Francisco, Orange County. Click out of it. You can see now it's going into the loop where it's going to execute the workflow below for those different queries. Now for us to be able to see the different executions, we just simply go to the executions tab. And we'll just wait a moment whilst the executions begin. So now we have two workflows running, and we'll just leave it in real time. Whilst we wait on the lead generation spreadsheet, I'll just pause here and you'll see it automatically begin to populate lead generation spreadsheet. Awesome, you can see the first one has been completed. You can see the search query was finance broker in LA, and we've come up with a lot of different business URLs and a lot of different emails that we've scraped. You can see here that we've tried to match mobile phone numbers. Obviously we'll get some errors, but that's okay because we'll go ahead and clean the data afterwards. So I'll just leave it down here and wait for the next workflow to finish. Awesome, now you can see that the second query, finance broker in San Francisco, has been completed, and we've scraped some new URLs as well as some new phone numbers and some email addresses which we can send cold outreach email campaigns to. And more good leads have come in, this time for finance broker in Orange County. Fantastic, we have finance brokers in San Diego, and we should have one more left in our workflow. So I'll just wait till that completes. So there we have it. The finance brokers has been completed, and we can see we've got some new URLs, some new emails, and some new numbers. So in the space of about 5 minutes, we've got 92 new rows entered into our lead generation spreadsheet. Obviously, we'll have to go and just double check the data, but now we can go ahead and use this in our cold outreach campaigns in order to generate deals. So I hope you've enjoyed today's N8n AI agent on how we can generate leads for free from Google Maps. If you found this valuable, just give us a like and subscribe, and please leave a comment with what you'd like to see next. Thank you.